Hey guys, and today we are going to see some birds.
Yeah.
But they're not any kind of birds.
They're like
They're
parrots. It's weird. You can't see it, but they're actually green. Yeah, I know, like, those birds, no, those are actually parrots, like, green.
Yeah, that's a parrot sound, guys.
Like, you see these? It's weird. And by the way, I'm at my grandma's house.
That's why it's different.
Yeah, I just wanted to record this video just in case it never happens again. Ah! By the way, it's one of the coldest days in California. Well, at least in Rescovina.
That's actually not a bird.
But it has to be a parrot. Cause really on video, I feel something coming. Alright, sorry guys, we gotta go. Well, there's the rare currents in here.